Hello friends, welcome to Design Thinking class, and here we are going to discuss the virtual collaboration from 4th unit. And this is Design Thinking, a virtual collaboration. As a framework for solving complex problem, here the design thinking takes a whole new meaning in the time of Corona. That is when practically everyone needs to adopt uncertain and rapidly changing external condition within the matter of moment. With the drastic COVID-19 pandemic countermeasure taken around the globe, business are faced with series of major challenges, and those challenges are production and sales facilities have been closed down, and workflows need to be managed remotely wherever possible, and products and services that were of high value just yesterday suddenly have to be redesigned entirely to meet the many new demands. During this pandemic, the need for fast-paced human-centered innovation is greater than ever. The main characteristics of design thinking is to bringing people together in a physical space. But during this pandemic COVID-19 period, with the face-to-face workshops have been cancelled nearly everywhere. That is, everyone have cancelled their face-to-face workshops, and the innovation experts around the world are translating their workshops and consulting offers into digitally acceptable formats. By using Zoom Meet or Google Meet, they have conducted all the workshops, and these new formats have already shown to be quite beneficial for stakeholders who are involved here. The benefits of using virtual meetings are: the first one is COVID-19 compatible, cost saving, digital outcomes and time saving. And now let us discuss the virtual collaboration of advantages of virtual collaboration. The first one is COVID-19 compatible. Here, collaborating virtually, that is conducting meeting virtually, that will free the company from geographic chains. And many business are trying to focus on the basis as they are forced to make decisions and that vastly impact their foundations on daily basis. And virtual design thinking, that is conducting design thinking workshops during virtual, and innovation seminars can be conducted over digital media that will save time and money. And in reality, they might be able to provide just the right answer to crisis related business challenges, and this is the first advantage. The second one is cost saving. Here, the traditional workshops requires the following for the team people. Trips were made around the world, so for that we need to spend time and money, and fancy innovation space booked, workshop material bots and food arrangement, and all these things we need to provide for our team members. But while come to virtual design thinking workshops, here it down the innovation process to their core functions, that makes them lot cheaper, that is the amount will be reduced, and the cost are only produced where the value created in return. So this is the advantage of another virtual design thinking. The third one is digital outcome. Here, the digital workshops can fully recorded from the beginning to end, and that will be more accurate, and evaluation is also very easy while doing the post processing. And next one is the common virtual collaboration spaces allows you to save and send the workshop results in all kinds of file formats. That is, we can save the workshop result in any file format, and it will provide first digital copy of workshop result within the matter of minute. That is, within a single minute we can provide the workshop result. And having a digital copy of workshop outcome does not relieve design thinking facilities of that task to make sense of results, but it makes this final step lot easier. And this is the third advantage. The last advantage is time saving. Here the preparation time for both virtual design thinking and physical design thinking time is same. That is online time as well as offline time preparation will be same, but the time saving throughout the actual workshop is the terms of traveling. That is traveling time will be very much saved when go to the virtual workshops. By bringing workshops online, it becomes more adaptable to involve the ideal group of people. That is, the people wherever they are located in the world, they can easily connect to the virtual workshops. This is another advantage of virtual design thinking workshops. Up to this, we have seen the virtual collaboration in design thinking, that is virtual design thinking workshops. And we have seen the advantages of those workshops also. The advantages are COVID-19 compatible, cost saving, digital outcome and time saving. And that's all about the virtual collaboration. In next video, we'll come in another important topic from design thinking. Till then, thank you.